My name is Ali Noor. I am 30 years old from Somali. In Somali, I was a teacher. Used to teach peace studies in African Peace Study Center. As a community development worker, due insecurity, I fled from my homeland. Then I arrived to the Dadaab refugee camp. I settled by UNHCR. Currently, I live Tahaay refugee camp. I'm a father of 3 kids. Since I came, I'm jobless. The life in the refugee camp is very, very hard. There are not many activities except jobs from UN or business. Jobs are given to you by who you are or who do you know. For me, I don't have any money to make business. So, I'm a shorty, strong man who is gentle. I only fetch water for the people and sometimes fetch firewood. Then I sell, as to gain some money for my children. Then I used to go to check if there is any work posted on the notice board. Yet our life is getting worse than ever due financial crisis. My wife is Mahan. She is very humble, friendly. She likes our house to be up to date and she comforts the children. But sometimes she misunderstands me. She becomes rude when I don't have money. Whenever I come back from town, she asks me, "How long were you there? And you come back with nothing." She asks me, "Were you picnicking and visiting your friends? And we are suffering here." So sometimes she says, "I don't want to stay with a poor man. I'm from royal family." She left me with the children except the one of the breastfeeding and said, "God lost." In fact, it is so painful feeling and hard to bear. This refugee life is giving us subtitle that we never belong. Now, I am alone with my children. I prepare breakfast for my children. They eat. Then the second born Muhammad, who is very stubborn, I take him to the neighbors. And my firstborn Ni, he goes to school. So, in a long journey of hard time, one day my friend Ahmed visited me and we discussed about how we change our lifestyle, and he told me we have to organize a team to make business, and we collect some money. Then we started selling. I started selling a little number of clothes in a wheelbarrow. After great efforts, I suddenly developed. Now we are selling big number of clothes in front of care distribution center where all refugees pass and they can see our business. It is really very early in the morning. Students go to school, people are intermingling, market is very busy, donkeys are riding and motorbikes are riding, hotels are opening. Then our shop, which is just in the street, is opening 8:30 in the morning. Then we started selling. I have customers, those come and buy from me. We work almost 10 hours, then we close our shops when marketers close. Thanks God, now our life has been changed. I'm able to serve my small family better than before. Even though I save no money, because the bill I receive is not more than our daily bread, because our business is sharing. It is really somehow hard to continue this business because all day under sun and even in teaching at home, students. He is fine. Good. buy and bring shopping and different meal for my kids, and also my beloved wife is back home with me now together. She's very happy now. Whenever I'm back from job, she welcomes me and gives me water. So, thanks God, every good step I do, whether it is hard or easy, for the sake of my kids, not because of my sake. I love my children very much, and I hope one day, one time, my children to see them in a better life and the future. So, because of my best friend Ahmed, our life has changed, and now my wife is back because of him. Thanks, Mr. Ahmed, I say. I kindly recommend all refugees to think, plan, benefit from their time and work hard together like me and Ahmed, so that we reach our goal and wait no man and wait no donors. As you know, nobody has a guarantee in a life to enjoy, and there is no gain without pain. But all you do is to try and have confidence into yourselves, and I will try my level best until death separates me. So until then, God is there and everywhere, no matter who I am. Yes, thanks for the hard work, and I hereby acknowledge the agents of Film Aid, which gave us this golden opportunity. On behalf of my students and friends, I also acknowledge the staff of Film Aid, and I say thanks for giving us all your energy, efforts, and supervise us whatever possible that you can give us. Thank you.